Don't forget to click the subscribe button, comment down below, like this video, and click the bell icon to be notified. My cat is being so Good morning. So respectful. He doesn't want to come in when I'm talking. You can come in, Nico. It's okay. You can use the potty box. I may have to leave this room soon, depending on what he's doing in there. I got the litter robot and I love it. You guys changed my life. Love, 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 love. It's total gadget town. And have I talked about it on here before? I don't remember. It's expensive. It's $500 for a litter robot. And it made this room so much nicer to be in. So if you have cats and you have like an apartment, I remember putting our litter box in the hall closet in our apartment so that we could close the door when they pooped. There was nothing else in that closet. Don't feel like we were making our coats stink or anything. Why am I talking about a litter robot? I love it, you guys. Not trying to sell you a litter robot, but I'm going to put a link down below if you want one, because it was $500 and I had looked at the $200 model with the rakes in it and I was like, oh my God, no. The rakes and it's open. This is a completely enclosed doohickey. It's like a big old ball that spins. Life-changing, life-changing. I have 2 cats and it never stinks in here now. And it sends you a notification that you need to change it and it doesn't smell in here. Like, I was changing that box completely twice a week, like all the litter out, and it saved me money on litter now, bags, time. Literally take the old bag out, twist it up, throw it away, put a new bag in, and I'm done changing the litter box. Unless I have to. Once a month, I change all the litter. But anyway, I gotta talk about the litter robot. Bloody furnace guy is supposed to show up today. Again. So he didn't show up yesterday. They finally called and said, can we come tomorrow? Oh. And my husband is like the kindest person in the world, so he says, sure. Every time we've ever made an appointment with them, they've canceled on us. So I don't even know why I bothered staying home yesterday. But it's okay, buddy. You're all good. That was very nice of you. You're good. You can be done. Nico. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy, buddy. Now he'll take 20 minutes to leave. He doesn't like the cat door. So he's gonna fight with the door for a second. You can do it, buddy. You can do it. You got it. You got this. Oh, look at you, smart boy. Good boy. I think he's nervous because sometimes the other cat will sit on the other side and smack him when he tries to come through. I really, really need to spray paint outside, and I'm looking out the window and I think it's gonna rain. I gotta check the radar. Hang on. It says cloudy with a 20% chance, but I feel like it's coming. I need to clear coat that blue bench. The glaze took forever to dry yesterday, and then I didn't go outside and do it because the stupid heating guy didn't show up. And I was waiting on him, so I think I'll take it to the front porch. The nice thing about a front porch is it's covered and the rain stays off of it, so I can hit that with some clear. I really wanted to get this footstool finished too. I glued it back together. Take the clamp off now. Ta-da! No more wobbles, guys. That's what happens when you glue things right. No wobbles, no creaks. It is good to go. But, dust right here. I missed a spot spray painting it. And I spray painted it with black gloss. What the heck was that, a spider web? So I have to go out and hit it with some black gloss again. Oh, I'm so happy. It's all strong now, you guys. Oh, I have a webinar at 11. That's right, I have a webinar at 11. Thank you for the reminder, calendar. You know, if it wasn't for reminders, I swear. Last week on Thursday, there was an 11 o'clock webinar. Well, you know I was out Junkin. I don't even know why I signed up for it. It's Thursday during garage sale season. Of course, I'm not going to be home. So I missed that one. There was a replay. I watched the replay. But I'm a little annoyed that I missed it. I'm not going to miss today. So at 11, I'll be doing a webinar. I'll get this thing spray painted. I'm going to head outside. I'm going to get this done right now. And hope we make it in the rain. Make it before the rain. And make it in the rain. Oh my God, it's cold. Oh, I wonder why I had to put a sweater on this morning. Like, it feels chilly out here. All right, let's get in here. Spray this. I'm gonna let that dry, but it might have been too cold to paint it. Slight orange peeling on the side. So if you don't know what that is, think of an orange peel. That's what it looks like. And it might be a little too cold out here right now. I think it's like, I don't know, maybe 44, 45 degrees. Should be fine, but looked a little orange peely to me. Not like bad, but you want to sand it down later, depending. I'll look and see what happens when it dries. It might lay down nicer. But let's get the, can't do anything till it dries anyway. So I'll get the gloss and try and clear the other one on the front porch. The front porch makes its own little weather pattern, so it'd be warmer in there. Heading down to my Etsy room. Well, it's my spare room, but all my Etsy stuff is in there. Made an Etsy sale of a pattern, so I think I can get that in the mailbox and she should take it. I'm rolling my eyes because I kind of feel like she won't at the same time. Okay. Patterns are up here. So I stuck all the patterns in these little shoe boxes with little silica gel packets in there so that, because it's the basement, I don't want any of the patterns to be damaged by the dampness down here. I tried to put all my pajamas in one, and she ordered pajamas. Pajama pattern. There it is. 6047. So those are all in there. Love these clear little bins because I can see on the side that it's pajamas before I grab it. But those silica gel packets, yeah. Especially down here and anything, because it's a basement. Basements are damp. Even though it's finished, it's still a little damp down here. So I want to make sure that they don't rot or smell or anything like that. But this is my Etsy closet. It's a mess. And this is only part of my listings. I have, I think, over 300 listings now. There's some Posh listings down here. Those are my Etsy, eBay, Posh listings. And then I have more in the back room, which eventually when we get closet doors and this gets finished, I want to put shelves all the way up in the closet so that I can move everything out of my storage room. So my storage room has like a cupboard in it and it's full there. And then there's a shelf back there that we were storing stuff on, and I confiscated it. And there's a bunch of Etsy listings on there as well. I like it better in here because the lighting's better in here. It's got a window. There's no window back there. Let me get a padded envelope and we'll get this shipped out. Lovely pink padded envelopes. I had turquoise ones that were smaller, but I ran out. I gotta reorder those. But I have big pink ones I'll just fold in half. I love them. I got them on Amazon. I can put a link down below for you guys. They have the coolest bags now. They have ones that say thank you on them and they're gold and pink. I might end up getting those instead. But I'm gonna go do my thank you note to get this shipped out. And it's going out. Let's hope she picks it up this time. I'm gonna have faith in her and say that she's gonna be wonderful and pick it up. Okay, so I am working on the bench. The furnace guy's gone now. It was a circuit board. The circuit board was dying, and so I kept throwing out all these little random things here and there. So he replaced the circuit board, and super nice guy. Their scheduling person needs to get it together, but he's a really nice guy. That helps. He was very honest and, didn't charge us a whole lot, so that was awesome. All right, I've got the bench here, and let me show you. I got 2 of the screws in. I got to get 2 more screws because I forgot this piece. This one from the thrift store didn't have 2 of the screws in it. It's going to look super cute when it's done. So cute! Love the toile. Love it. Very nice. That's going to be a nice bench for the desk if it doesn't sell. Black footstool is going to be dragonflies. Love this fabric. All right, she needs a price tag. She's so pretty. Visit my blog, peonylanedesigns.com, for more tips, tricks, and inspiration. Thanks for watching, everyone. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon so you'll be notified of new videos. I post every week DIY tutorials and, of course, more Junkin videos.